Let's take a look at our duvet cover. Make sure your duvet cover is flipped inside out. Notice the end of the opening? To begin, make sure the end of the opening is facing away from where you are standing. Next, place your comforter on top of the duvet cover, aligning all four corners. Now, standing on the opposite side of the opening, begin rolling the comforter and the duvet cover together, making adjustments as you roll. Once rolled up, grab hold of the end of the roll. Using the enclosure of the duvet cover, stuff the roll inside. Now simply begin unrolling and unsticking the duvet apart. Finally, give your duvet a few shakes, and that's it. You're done. Your bed is now ready to add pillows and